This is why you need to ditch store-bought popcorn forever. Better taste, healthier, and so easy to make. Imagine this, a cozy movie night, and you're munching on freshly popped popcorn that you made yourself. Sounds awesome, right? Let's get poppin'. First, grab some popcorn kernels, olive oil, and your favorite seasonings. Cheese powder, chili powder, garlic powder, whatever you love. Heat a pot on medium-high heat and add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Throw in a few kernels and cover the pot. When they pop, you know the oil is hot enough. Now add the rest of your kernels, cover the pot again and give it a good shake to coat them in oil. Keep shaking the pot every few seconds to make sure nothing burns. Once the popping slows down, take the pot off the heat. Carefully remove the lid to release the steam. Now it's time to season. Sprinkle on some salt and your favorite seasoning while the popcorn is still warm so it sticks. And there you have it, delicious homemade popcorn in minutes. Perfect for movie nights, parties, or just a tasty snack. Enjoy your popcorn, and if you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy and fun cooking tips. Thanks for watching.